haven't done a vlog in a really long time. I know the only person who probably cares is my sister.
What about me?
Oh, are you watching them now?
Started.
Well, okay. I'm sorry, Jerry, that I haven't done a video
I'm not gonna watch
in a few days.
You offended me. I'm not watching
But
anything.
I've been really busy. Right now we are walking towards Bancroft. Bancroft. To
the island.
oh. Let's see an ambulance.
Pretty hide my pocket. Nope. They must have seen that.
Bum, bum, ba-da. See, Dad, I told you this place is the safest. They just have police vans going around all the time.
Not vans. Alright, we can cross here and go down. Shady Park.
Can you see the church down there? It's really pretty. This is the Worcester History Museum. Museum! Museum.
Museum.
Anyway, I say museum.
Yeah, like museum.
Museum. Be quiet. We're going to go to a Japanese restaurant tonight. And it's Jerry and I and Alyssa.
Would have had Jonah.
We could have had Jonah, but he didn't want to come, so.
What's he doing anyway?
Playing League.
Accurate. Your one words, like, your one-liners are what get me all the time. Like, accurate. Nope. Anyway, we're about to pass the thing that I really love.
What?
It's a really pretty building. Mostly because it has, like, it's circular and it has vines all the way up it. It's some, like, office of some sort.
Enter someone's house.
Anyway, you'll see it in the background as I slowly walk away.
How would you feel if that was your house? In your bedroom was that big windowed area.
Anyway, so we're gonna go eat at Oishi's. And Oishi means tasty in Japanese. So I'm expecting good food. You said you've had it?
Yes.
Did you like it?
I don't know, I only had like one thing.
Okay. Jerry, are you excited? Maybe?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I'll tell you afterwards or during.
Well, you have to tell me if you think your prejudgment.
If Alyssa is correct, I will be very sad.
She's not correct. Alyssa's wrong.
What did I do?
Say that they only have sushi.
How's my hair?
Well, anyway.
Oh, I almost got walked on. Look at the building.
Look at the building.
That's where we came down.
Okay, and that is City Hall, right? Town Hall?
No.
City Hall? There. That's what I mean. And there's City Hall up there. That big giant tower. And this is where it kind of gets a little sketchy. So
We'll see you later.
I'm going to put my phone away. Bye. Say it. Everybody said it. Say bye. Say bye.
No.
Say bye.
Boy.
Say bye.
Whatever.
So this is what Jerry ordered. It's chicken tempura maki. So we're gonna see his reaction to it.
I'm scared.
That was wasabi and ginger.
Are you ready for this, Alyssa?
Yes.
You want to do it at the same time?
No.
No? I'd prefer if we did.
You can't, both of you.
Sniff it first.
Well, I can't smell, so. But it smells salty. You ready?
Yes.
I think
Good, I like it.
he's waiting.
You know,
Monumental moment.
the sushi, you can buy that little bit. Any piece
Here's the
sushi, they put in little soy sauce, then just
the entire thing?
Yeah, whole
Okay.
thing.
I told her
That's
that the other time, and she was
Yeah,
like, no.
that-
This, yeah, and you put in little soy sauce, then any piece is a whole by whole by.
Okay.
Then when you cut the inside broken, they not neither you cut a cucumber part, they not send
The food was really good, but the quantity was extremely small for what you paid for. So the prices looked good, but then you didn't really get that much for the price. So also another thing was they didn't really have like any, like for example I got miso soup and it was just like in a styrofoam bowl. So like the presentation I guess wasn't that great either. But it was okay. I would go back maybe for like, I don't know, lunch or something. Alyssa liked it. Jerry said he'd try chicken tempura again, but he does not like what he had at all. It's the seaweed. There's something about it that bugs him out. But besides that, it was pretty good and a good experience.